إنما أشكو بثي وحزني إلى الله وأعلم من الله ما لا تعلمون. He said, I only complain of my sadness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When we complain to people, brothers and sisters, we complain and we tell them about our situation, and in the end, they cannot help us. So they say, may Allah help us. So that's the reality of it. Instead of complaining to people and they're going to say, may Allah help you, which is fine. You can talk to your family members and your friends about your sadness and your situation. That's no problem. I'm not saying it's haram. But in the end, make your main complaint to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't go around complaining to everyone about your job situation and your family situation and all these other situations, unless there's a person who can actually help you. They can give you some good advice, or they can take some stand in that situation. But otherwise, the majority of our complaint should be directly to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Between us and Allah. In our sujood. At the night time, when nobody's around, we complain to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because in the hands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the solution to all of our difficulties. Umar ibn al-Khattab radiallahu anhu, when he would read this surah in Salat al-Fajr, he would read a long surah, like Surah Yusuf. And one day he reached this ayah, إِنَّمَا أَشْكُو بَثِّي وَحُزْنِي إِلَى اللَّهِ وَأَعْلَمُ مِنَ اللَّهِ مَا لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. I only complain of my sadness to Allah. Umar radiallahu anhu started crying so much in Salat al-Fajr that he could not continue the recitation and he had to make ruku'. This is how the Quran would affect the righteous people.